The sight sensor should be mounted on a structure a minimum of 21 feet high and have a slight tilt, less than 0 degrees, in order to triangulate. Calibrating a sight sensor allows us to not only pinpoint targets on a geo-registered site map, but also allows us to set rules based on size, speed, or direction. Calibrating sight sensor is a right click. Right click on the sight sensor icon and choose Calibrate. You'll see a live snapshot of the sensor, and we can move that live snapshot so that it's side by side with your site map. The first step in calibrating is to double click on your site map at the location of the sight sensor where it's mounted. You'll see a pink cross move to that location, and you'll also see its current GPS coordinates displayed below. Move over to the calibration dialog and import that marker. Also, type manually the height above ground in feet that the sensor is mounted. To calibrate, we're going to choose 2 points that are visible in both the site map and also in the live snapshot. These 2 points must also be at ground level. For point 1, we're going to choose the base of a telephone pole at the far end. So we've double clicked at that location on the site map, and we're going to move over to the live snapshot and double click at that same location. Select import marker. Choose calibration point 2. This time we're going to choose the corner of the fence line in the site map and that same location over in the live snapshot. Double clicking in both places. Import the marker, press save. Immediately you'll see a cone overlaid on the site map representing the field of view of the sight sensor, including the blind area below. The cone should be symmetrical if it's calibrated properly. There are some tools to check your calibration accuracy and improve it. The first tool we're going to show you is the horizon tool. The horizon tool, when turned on, will overlay a yellow line across the snapshot of the sensor representing what is believed to be the horizon. In this case, the horizon is slanted, and we can correct that quickly. The right side of this horizon line is high, so I'm going to select the calibration point that's on the right hand side and double click to move it down a little bit. Press save. You'll see that the horizon line is slowly correcting itself by moving that point down a little bit at a time until it's horizontal. We'll move the left side up slightly to bring that side up. You can see also over on the site map that the cone is much more symmetrical. Another tool we use to verify calibration is called Geo-Coordinate Test. When you select this button, you can double click anywhere in the camera snapshot and a yellow X will appear on the site map where the system believes that target would be if it was in an alarmed condition. So we can go over to our snapshot and click in multiple places and watch where the target moves to see if your calibration is accurate.